Hey guys, it's Mark from Create Ink here, and today we're going to learn how to make a easy reflection in Photoshop in 1 minute. So first things first, let's grab the marquee tool by hitting M on the keyboard. And now we're going to draw a selection down to the point we want to reflect from. Next thing we're going to do is press Command J on the keyboard to make a new layer with our selection. And now we're going to press Command T to transform it, right click and press Flip Vertical. Now we're going to move our reflection down to the horizon and hold shift while doing so, and it won't move out of bounds. Hit enter once it's positioned. Now we're going to hold command, click on our new layer and press the mask button. Now we want to make our reflection a little bit darker than our main image. Let's go down here and make a new levels adjustment layer. Now if we drag this left slider towards the right, you can see it's making our whole image darker. Now if we press this button here, it'll only apply it to the layer directly below. Now we're going to select our reflection layer and apply a blur, filter blur and Gaussian blur. Something around 1 or 2 is fine. Hit OK once you're happy. And now I'm also going to apply a wind effect, so filter stylize wind, and from the left or the right, either way. Now we want to make sure our edge of our reflection layer is not too sharp. So let's select our layer mask here and let's bring up the feather until it's a little bit blurry. And there we go guys. That's all it takes to make a reflection in Photoshop in 1 minute. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give me a like and I'll see you in the next one.